आज ही डाउटनेट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनेट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सॉल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
In this question, we have to evaluate this given integral, and the integral is, let this integral be I. So I is, we have from minus pi to pi, we have x sine x, and in denominator we have e raised to power x plus 1. So we have a property 0 to a f of x dx. This is 0 to a f of a minus x here. So a minus x will be minus pi. Here will be, if we see this property 0, let us consider a to b, f of x. So this is equal to a to b f of a plus b minus x dx. So we are applying this property here. So we have minus pi plus pi will be equal to minus of minus pi plus pi minus x. So it will be equal to minus x, because this minus pi plus pi will cancel out. So we have minus x sine minus x, and here will be e raised to power minus x is 1 by e raised to power x plus 1 here. So this is I is equal to, we have, here will be limit from minus pi to pi here. So we have this term is minus pi to pi, we have e raised to power x minus x into sine minus x is minus sine x, so minus minus will be plus of x sine x upon 1 plus e raised to power x. Let this be equation number 2, and we have, let this be equation number 1. So on adding 1 and 2, we have I plus I is 2i is equal to, from minus pi to pi, here will be e raised to power x plus 1, and in denominator we have x sine x, in numerator x sine x, and in denominator 1 plus e raised to power x. So this term here and this term here will cancel out with respect to dx here. So we have, if 0 to a f of x, 0 to 2a f of x dx, we can write it as 2 times of 0 to a f of x dx if f of minus x is equal to f of x. That means the function is even. Let us check for this. Minus x sine minus x, here will be, because sine minus x is minus sine x, so minus minus will be plus, so it will be x sine x. So it is an even function, so we can write this as 2i is equal to 2 times of 0 to pi, here will be x sine x dx. So this 2 and this 2 will cancel out. So now applying by parts, we have this as first function and this as second function. How we have done this? Because ILATE is priority, so we have algebraic function has more priority than trigonometric function. So applying u dot v, we have first as it is, x as it is, integration of sine x minus differentiation of first, that is 1, integration of sine x dx. We will put the limits afterwards. So we have x times of integration of sine x is minus cos x, and minus of integration of minus cos x, so minus minus will be plus of, here is cos x dx. So we have minus cos x into x, and limit is from, we have 0 to pi, and plus of integration of cos x is sine x, and limit is from 0 to pi here. So we have minus of pi, and cos of pi is 1 minus of, here will be 0 into cos 0 is 1 here, and plus of, here is sine pi is 0 minus sine 0 is 0 here. So cos of pi is minus 1 here. Here will be minus of 1. So we have this term as 0. So minus minus will be plus of, here will be pi. The value of I is equal to pi. So thank you.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट IIT JEE मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज़्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनेट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।